Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. I hope you all are doing well and it's a pleasant morning over here. So today is 2nd November and today, as we are Roman Catholics, we are Christians, so we have a day, All Souls Day, where we have to visit the graveyard, okay, and pray over there. Yeah. So yes, so I start my day. I freshed up and I did my settings of the bedding. Yeah. And so guys, the morning tea is ready. That is black tea in our house. And today is paneer. And yeah, auntie will make puri out of this dough. This is the final ration for the day. Okay, this is my dada and daddy, and over here she's my nani. Yeah, I was very close to my daddy and my nani. Okay, and I never seen my grandfather, who was a military man. So yeah, it's their day today, and so we do the setup for the day. The paneer is getting fried up. Okay, and I am having. So guys, my morning tea is ready and I have taken it to sip it. Yeah, it starts with a black tea, and then in the evening it's milk tea. Okay, and after my breakfast also I have milk tea or black tea. So it's like thrice a day. Okay. World guys, so many back to back, so many. Yeah. So many people died in this pandemic, so much, but you know what, I feel there's a strategy which is built up, okay, just to earn money. Okay, I feel that, it's my assumption or something, but I do feel, but it's so bad. Yeah. I mean, recently there was an earthquake, okay, in Greece. Yeah, where the normal life, okay, we are just waiting when the normal life will start. Okay, we are just waiting for it, but we never know, we never know. Okay, like if I say that every month some or the other person have died, even in the industry. Okay, and we get to know so much. I personally knew that Bollywood industry, I mean internal things, would not. Okay, I was recommended to become a model, or you know, uh, or to work as an air hostess. Okay, but because of my height, yeah, my height is almost like 5'8", 5'9". Yeah, and that's what. But destiny, yeah, and I didn't want it because I knew that the internal part of the industry was not good, and today it's coming up just because one person who has lost his life, Sushant Singh Rajput. Yeah. So ultimately, there's so much happening after this pandemic came. Okay, in this world, so much of fear, so much of safety, which is increased. That is also good, but the environment also has, played a vital role. It is given back to the humans. A lesson is learned. That's very good, but the economic life, the people who have lost their job, and so many things which have affected people's life, people's family, so much. And above all, in this time also, the rapism is going on. Rape, of the girl child, is going on. Like, it's so uncertain thing. It's such a bad thing. It's such a sad thing to know. During this time also, people want it. Some illiterate people want it. Yeah. So it's very sad to know. Okay. Being a citizen of India, yeah, I personally feel that these things should not happen. And someone should be there to give a full stop. The law should be passed. Some action should be taken. Very strict action should be taken against them. Hey guys, this is rice. It's been made, jeera rice for today. This masala, okay, of the vegetable, of the paneer. The vegetable, what is today. For today's lunch. Yeah. This is kheer. Today it is cooked in a different way. Okay. And there's always a good music at my place. Yeah, in the morning time. And here's the beautiful morning. So we have just moved from the house. I'm opening the gate. It's a bright day, sunny day, and it's a Monday. So guys, this is Nagpur and this place is called Manewada. Okay, and Manewada Road. Okay, and here you can see all the vendors sitting. We are buying flowers as we are visiting graveyard, and you can see many people walking, moving on. Plus over here some essential needs. There's some coconut water vendors. So many things. Like this pandemic, does it look like it pandemic going on or lockdown is there? I guess no, but people have started adapting this life. Yeah, everything looks so normal and so nice after 7 or 8 months. So we'll move ahead to our destination. So we have reached the place, destination. The security has told there's another gate side as it is closed, but we can see it inside. Such a beautiful place. Peaceful, yes. We will pray. We are gonna for some time, and then as we enter the graveyard, I can only show you from a distance. I don't think so we can go enter the graveyard. I think you can see it. Let me go more. Yeah. Beautiful place. There's big ground over here. And it's a very old place. Let me tell you guys. Very old place. So I've almost reached. Heading for breakfast, okay? And there's some good poha on the way. Yes, I'll show you. Okay? Yeah, we finished praying and offering our prayers. Okay, and we just came on the way. Okay, and now we have some breakfast. So here's the morning breakfast. The poha looks yummy. The one who are there in Nagpur can visit this place. Yes. There's some sukha poha also, which is going to be as a topping in the poha. क्या आपके कितने कस्टमर्स रहते हैं दिन में?
रहता पोहा रहने तक।
क्या बोल रहे हो?
पोहा रहने तक के रहता
रेडी होता है। और पैंडेमिक में कैसे गया आपका? जब लॉकडाउन था तो?
लॉकडाउन में बंद है।
बंद है तो प्रॉब्लम गई आपको बहुत? बहुत प्रॉब्लम गई आपको? अच्छा, तो अभी कैसा लग रहा है आपको? आपने अपना बिजनेस चालू कर दिया फिर से? ठीक है. So guys, please do visit if you are in Nagpur on Manewada Road. To please do visit this vendor's shop to have poha. It looks so yummy. So guys, we are back home, and the poha was really good. You should try once at least. Not because you want to have, but also, you know, to increase their income, because these vendors, these laborers have lost so much You know, if you think of positivity in life, so think about others too. Yeah, think about their growth too. Yes, no matter what, we are humans and there should be humanity. I feel so. So, guys, we have come over here for some work and see the crowd. So, it's all normal life, like. So, this tells us that we have to adapt this life no matter what. And there is a court, the other building. Guys, we have come over here for some work of my brother, and here I can see people taking safety measures by wearing masks, but only social distancing is not happening. Yes, but there should be someone to instruct. Yeah, and there's no instruction which is to be given to them. So I guess someone should be there who would guide them in a way. There are people who are not well to do so much, who don't understand things, so many things, but there should be always a guide. You see, yeah, there is safety measures for mask, but there is no social distancing. Okay, so please, whenever you see anybody not doing it, please suggest them. So guys, we have reached St. Francis de Sales High School, SFS High School and Junior College, Nagpur. You've seen this started 1870, and this is a school. It's a big school, and it's my brother's school. So we have come from my brother's work over here. The statue of St. Francis de Sales, and it is a very big school. This is the entrance. Here is it's all closed, it's all quiet, it's a Monday. This is a section of pre-primary school and it is all closed. And that side is the office, school office. So guys, here's my tea prepared for the evening, and here's something very beautiful my mother's bought. It is for the fruit, to keep the fruits, yeah. And this is for the mukhwas, yeah, the sauce which is needed after a lovely and delicious lunch or dinner, yeah. So guys, I'm enjoying tea for the evening, and it is 6:10 now. The maid auntie will come and something non-veg will be cooked at home, maybe chicken or fish, and there would be chapati made and rice. Okay, so I end my vlog for the day. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Ev's Life. See you. Bye.